Shib over the last 24 hours has made a massive explosion to the upside. Okay, maybe not as massive as people want, but understand we've dropped off that fifth zero that we've had since January 12th. We're finally, again, making some of these more bullish movements to the upside. So the question then lies is this where Shib finally extends and tries to create new cycle highs? And the answer is maybe. All right. Now, this isn't, this is not financial advice. I'm not trying to be non-committal or anything like that, but we've been working through a lot of stuff when it comes to Shib. Okay. We've been working through a big batch of sellers. We talked about that massive whale doing some selling yesterday or over the last 48 hours now. And the thing is we've had to flush out a lot of weak hands. When it comes to Shib, I've seen a lot of the comments. I've seen a lot of people upset. And there have been people that have been liquidating their positions down in these low levels. And frankly, we've been working through some of the thickest levels of liquidity. Guys, if you ever look at the liquidity distribution of Shib compared to other assets, Shib has a very, very thick level of liquidity at the bottom. It's very, very hard to escape that level. So it takes time. It doesn't necessarily get to explode as fast as some other coins. But the thing is now that Shib has broken 4010, again, look at the size of these candles. Look at how fast Shib can truly move to the upside. Now know this, we still have to break 4012. That is basically the door that opens up for Shib. That is when things begin to move very, very quickly. I'll reference you guys back. Obviously this is way zoomed out, but look at how fast Shib moves up above these levels. That's where we're trying to get to. We're still down here. All right. We're still on a good trend. We're still on an uptrend. We're still on the bullish side of things. We're above all of our moving averages. We're holding that actually 20-day moving averages support for a very long period of time. But now that Shib has gotten finally a little bit of breathing room, as long as the market stays strong, which BTC is actually trying to push towards 57K again, guys, we might have an opportunity to actually push past 58K today, which would be really cool. And this is, again, not financial advice. But if this continues to happen, Shib's got a lot of breathing room up here. All right. Those weak-handed people have been getting flushed out left and right, and they've been being replaced by people that share the long-term vision, that really see the potential of Shib moving forward. Now, we've also gotten a lot of help from institutional money. Institutional money is something I've been tracking very closely, and this was the lowest day of GBTC selling we've seen. And the funny thing is GBTC selling usually impacts the market earlier in the day. So if we have another low day of selling ahead, the market can actually take big steps forward and compound on top of itself and liquidate a bunch of shorts again. I mean, things could get actually quite wild today, but we'll just have to temper our expectations. This might even be happening by the time this video comes out too. But we saw big buying from Fidelity. We saw big buying from ARK Investments. We had another massive day of BTC inflows into institutional money, $519 million. These are all things that when you piece it all together, it creates something really, truly explosive. We've never been this explosive pre-halving. And really what that means, and I want people to think about this, if we're this explosive pre-halving, what are we going to look like when retail actually starts to get back in? We're still about 10 months away from retail truly entering the market again. People that either were in last bull market cycle, new adopters, they typically don't come until that last year of the bull market, which should obviously be 2025. But if this creates kind of an early trigger for things, prices can get extremely wild. That's really what you need to know. Now, again, this is not financial advice. There's no guarantees, but watch what's happening. This is something we have never seen before, and it creates a lot of possibilities for the future. So I hope people have prepared. Hopefully people were patient enough and weren't liquidating their bags along the way. But have a great day. Show your love below. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.